Let's work in the video and here's the steps. So I got the Camon 30 for 3,665 Ghana cedis. And after watching this video, if in case you want to get one, yes, you can just check in the comment section or the description of the video. There is a WhatsApp contact that you can just reach for one. But know that the price, as at the time that the phone was released, for every week there was a little price increment. And for me getting it for this price, I still see some little increment coming soon. Okay, but I just hope that prices will reduce in the coming weeks and then in the coming days. Now let's unbox, and then after that I'll just give my first impression about the Camon 30. So this is the Tecno Camon 30, and this is a 256 gig ROM and then 24 gig RAM. And unboxing this device is just simple right here. So if you are new, just subscribe for more videos right here on this platform, because more videos will become right here on this channel. Okay, so make sure you subscribe for more videos from this channel. Okay, so this is the Tecno Camon 30. Oh no. Okay, so on top we have the Tecno, and then back there is nothing. Right here we have on. You can see on right here. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we have the phone cover right here, and this comes with a 12+1 month warranty. And then the phone manual right here. That's the install guide right here for the phone. So it comes with one extra protector. Okay, and then once again it comes with one phone cover. Nice one, very transparent. Okay, and then what's next? At this point, if you want to subscribe, because more videos will be coming right here on this channel. Okay, so the phone itself is here. So this is it for the camera. We will just dive in, so just make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so from the inside we have the phone charger right here, the cord, which is a type C charging cable right here. And then what again do we have here? We have the Tecno 45-watt charger, fast charger, super fast. Okay, and then what again? There is nothing again. So it comes with no earpiece. Okay, it comes with no earpiece, as you see right here in the phone box. So this is the Tecno Camon 30, and this is where we have the pin to remove your SIM card. Okay, so that's all, nothing else again. All right, so now let's go to the phone. And this is Camon 30. It comes with 50 megapixel auto focus eye tracking selfie, and I'll be showing you videos and pictures that I will take with this device. Okay, so one thing that you should also take note is that the device comes with an infrared remote control. So sure, I will just test it out in another video, or you can just check in the comment section or the description of the video to know more about that one, or to watch a video of me using the Camon 30 to control my television. So just make sure you subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Alright, so at the back, this is how it looks like. This is Tecno Camon 30. Okay, with the side, let's start from here, from the top. You can see right here with the side, and down here, and then front. All right, so this is the device. Now let's turn it on and then see how everything works inside the device. But if you're new, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like the video for more videos right here on this channel. So powered by Android, Tecno Camon 30. So let's go into the phone settings, and this device comes with pre-installed apps. So as you can see, some apps already on the phone. Okay, those are pre-installed apps for you to be using it. So let's go to my Tecno and then let's see something. So this is running Android version 14.0.0. Okay, and then we have the real camera, which is a 50 megapixel triple camera. Triple camera. Okay, so videos on that will be coming very soon. And then the screen is a 1080 by 2436. Okay, which is 6.78 inch. Okay, and as you can see, this is the RAM Android version, and then these are some of the things that you will have right there. Okay, so let's go back and let's look at the refresh rate of the device. So the refresh rate, it has up to 120 hertz, and then you can see we have 60, 90, 120. But always you'll be cautioned that if you set it up to 120, you have significant increase in power consumption, so it will consume most of your battery life. Okay, it will consume most of your battery life, although everything will just be fine. Okay, so always they recommend you put it at automatic so that it will just pick it based on how it needs to work, you understand. So automatic is always better than putting it at 120, although you can put it at that side, but take note that it will drain your battery. Now with camera, we have this. So videos on that will be coming very soon on this channel. Okay, videos will become right here on this channel, so just stay tuned, like the video and subscribe for more. So with the camera, so with the video, it can shoot up to 2K 30 frames per second. Okay, so you can just regulate or change it depending on how you want it. So don't forget that videos about the camera, and then also I'll be comparing the device with the Tecno Camon 20. So I will just be comparing this to the Tecno Camon 20. So just stay tuned, more videos will be coming right here on this platform. And since the device is NFC supported device, let me just give it a try. So you heard the beep. Okay, so it is working. So yeah, it counts with NFC, and the NFC is working perfectly. And this is where you find or see the remote side right here. When you just scroll down from the control center, you can see IR remote control. Just tap on it and then you are it sometimes. Full video will become right here on this channel, so just stay tuned. You select any one of these, so just stay tuned, it will come very soon. So the sensor is here, and this is what will be doing everything. So yeah, now let's give it a try for the fingerprint unlock. Okay, so I'll set up the fingerprint and let's give it a tap and see. Wow, that was very fast. See, just a tap and then it has opened. Let's try it again. Just a tap and then we are in. So the fingerprint is very fast. Yes, this is what we need. Okay,
So my full review will be coming very soon after using the device for some time, I mean a month. So just stay tuned, like the video, and subscribe for more videos will become right here. This device feels very cool in the hand, just that is a little bit long as compared to the Tecno Camon 20. Okay, so it's cool in the hand, and it's cool, trust me. So just subscribe and like the video. I have more videos right here on this channel. So at the back of it, this also serves as an indicator light right here. And what it will do is to just show these devices, smart devices, incoming and also charging. So let me just show you with the charging. So charger plugged in, and then you can see the light beeping. Okay, so same will happen for incoming calls and then other ones that they also listed. Okay, so that's the indicator light, and it also comes with the dynamic island, or what we call it, the magic ring. Okay, so you have it right there for calls and then also for charging percentage and all those things. It also have it. Okay, so if you want to know how you can just activate your magic ring right here, yes, just check in the comment section or description of the video. I have a video that can really help you activate yours.
So for me, with the Camon 30, I am really impressed with the design that they just gave out. It is just nice. And one thing that I noticed is that the back is very slippery. If you don't take care, you just slip this out from your hand and then the phone will start crashing. Although it comes with, a protector, but continuous crashing will just crash the phone screen and then will harm the phone. So just make sure if you're handling it without the protector or the phone cover, just make sure you are holding it well. Okay. And one thing I also noticed about this is, although it comes with two SIM and then external SD card, which I really like most, but looking at the speakers, I really love the speakers. It's good. The speakers are very good. And let me just give you some ringtones to see or listen to the quality of the speaker. They use Dolby Atmos speakers, so they are just these special speakers that will really give you the best sound in your environment, letting you hear some sound that you not hear in some normal speakers. You understand? So let me just give you this. So that was the highest volume for, I mean, this for ringtone. Yeah, that's ringtone. Okay, so that's the highest sound, but the speakers are good. And one thing that I don't like about these Android devices is about their face unlock. Although the fingerprint is very fast, but when it comes to the face unlock, it has to brighten the screen before it opens up. They are not good at shade places or dark places. They all have to light and then before you unlock. So I always prefer the fingerprint because that one is very fast and reliable, and it is all good comparing to their security reason. They are all good, but I just like the fingerprint just because it's faster than the face unlock. Face unlock, the screen will just light up. So yeah, although it is fast in light places, when there is light, any moment you tap on it, like you just open your phone, then yes, you are true with it. Okay, so the first unlock, that's the issue that I have, but I just hope that with the coming phones, one day you will have a phone that will not even light up to just show your face in dark place, but the moment you just tap or open your phone, you just unlock without any brightness on your face. All right, now let's go into one thing I noticed about the phone camera. Okay, they have added one thing. They have added one thing to the camera, and this is it. Let me show you. They have added one thing called dual video. Okay, so as you can see, we have the back. This is the back. Okay, and then this is the front. So the front is here and then the back is also here, which is nice. So this is a dual video recording. dual video recording. You can just record the back and then the front at the same time, capturing both movements at the same time, and it's nice. So I'll just be giving you the pictures and video that I'll take with the smartphone. As I said, I'll be comparing it with other Camon 20 as well. So the videos for this device will be coming up, and I also noticed that the device is lighter in weight comparing to the Camon 20. Although I'm not comparing right now. The video will come later, but I just felt it when I just hold the Camon 20 and then hold this one. I could notice that there is a little bit lightweight. Okay, it is not that heavy compared to the Camon 20. So it's good. But one thing that I think will not help is the phone backlight. The backlight right here is not that bright. Trust me. I'm just hoping that it will just give me some good light at night, because when you're just taking a picture at night, the flashlight should be bright enough to just show the person's face and then all these things. But I don't know, I haven't taken pictures with it yet, but looking at the brightness of the light comparing to my Camon 20, Camon 20 has brighter light compared to this. But as I said, unless I start to take pictures and videos with it, I can just conclude that I just see something like a reduce in brightness, which will really affect the quality or how bright the picture is. But we will see it in another video. So just subscribe and like the video for more videos right here on this platform. And one thing that they've added that I think it is cool is the infrared remote control, which I will just show you the setup and all these things later in another video. But I think it's just a good move. Okay, just a good move for them to just add something like that to this phone and still having that lightweight. Good. And one thing I was glad to see is them having or giving us the phone protector for free. It's good. Do you know why? Just because when I bought the Camon 20, I was finding difficult to get the protector for the phone, and the ones that I just still use is not one that is curved just like the phone screen. I'm just using another one which, although doesn't fit well, but I have to use it. I have to protect my phone. So since it comes with this, it is just a good move for Tecno, and I would say thanks to Tecno for doing this. It will really help us. Okay, and then I'll show you in another video on how you can just place it on your phone. So just make sure you subscribe and like the video, and you can also check in the comment section description of the video. Maybe the video has been posted or uploaded, and then you can just check and then watch the step-by-step guide. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget that videos about the Camon 30 will be coming very soon. Camera quality, all these things, everything about the device, battery saving tips, data saving tips, everything will be here right here on this channel. So just make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to check in the comment section or description of the video for videos about the Camon 30. Stay alive, and bye for now.